welcome back. So today I got this leather hole puncher. I got it from Ross for $9.99. So it was a pretty good deal. This one comes with the hole puncher kit with the accessory and stuff like that. So I was looking at eBay before. I think they range from $7.99 up to $14.99 or even more. So I'm glad I found this. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we got here. So yeah, with the tax and everything, it's $10.86 out the door. So this is the grip, 3-piece leather hole puncher, and grommet tool kit. So this one's the hole puncher that you could rotate around with the small all the way to a large size. And you can see the grommet and 2 additional tools. So it says used for punching holes in a laminated document, thick paper, jewelry making crafts, repairing shoes, belts, garment, and more. And a leather hole punch has a rotating head with a punch size of 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, up to 5 millimeter. It has a drop forge, heated treated steel handle with a texture finish for a secure hold. It includes 1 leather hole punch, 2 pieces of grommet, setting pliers, 100 pieces of shoes or belt grommets, and 100 pieces of button snaps. So yeah, let's go and then open this up. Pretty nice. Oops. There's a lock here. There you go. I think I kind of messed up when I tried to yank it earlier, so I gotta bend it back. So this is the button. Let me test on this belt. I'm gonna find out the right size. There you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.